You need to watch this if hiccups drive you nuts. Drinking water too fast might be making it worse. So here's the deal. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm goes rogue. Gulping down water quickly? Yeah, that's like throwing gas on a fire. It just irritates your diaphragm more. Instead, try sipping slowly. Or go old school with holding your breath. Works like a charm. Even better, try swallowing a teaspoon of sugar. Sounds weird, but trust me, it's a game changer. Remember, the key is to relax that diaphragm, not go all speed drinking champ. Next time you're battling the hiccups, slow down and give these tricks a shot. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep those hiccups at bay. Catch you later.